Hi, and welcome to another Pin Publishing interactive video. Today we are going over our enhanced features of the FlipperSD QR code generator. Let's get started. There are now two places where you can create a QR code in the backend of Flipper. The first one can be found under Webmaster Tools in the menu on the left. The other one can be found directly within the section on your website. Simply navigate to the page you want to create a QR code for, and then select Administer Section in the bottom menu. Select the QR code button next to the permalink. The generator automatically creates a QR code for the page you're on, but you can customize this URL to be anything you want, even an external link from your website. So as an example, I can change it to our home page. This is used in case you want to add tracking to the URL or you want to create a QR code for a Facebook page or some other page you want to promote. Our update now allows you to customize your size, color, and add an image overlay. For sizes, you can select small, medium, or large. For color, you can select the color picker, and if you have a specific hex number for your brand, you can place it in the box below. Or you can just select a color you'd like. For the image overlay, you can simply select an image and that will take you to your image library. So we want to do our Flipper logo, so I'll select that. And then I can use the scaling tool to adjust the size it takes up within the QR code. Always remember to test your QR code before you share it, just to be sure that it's accurate. Once you are happy with the results, you can either download your QR code as a PNG or save as an SVG and use it wherever you need. This is just one of the few enhanced features launched in FlipperSD. If you have questions about enhancing your website or other services we provide, feel free to visit our website or contact us at sales@pinpublishing.com. Be sure to check us out on Facebook and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for this video, and thanks for watching.